Hello, this is Jace Fugate here with the Introduction to the Go Programming Language courses. So today we are going to be talking about strings. Strings are great. Strings are a string of characters. That's where that comes from, a string. Strings, think of them as words. We always put double quotes in Go around strings. Let's go ahead and create a new directory. Let's call this strings. Main.go. Create our main package. Create our main function. So let's create a string here. Let's use type inference, in fact. Let's not even tell it that it's a string. We could. We can use \t for a tab character we wanted. You can't actually put a tab character in. So let's see. Let's type in something. Put another tab if you wanted. If you want to put a new line character, you have to use \n. You can't just put like a new line character. That the Go will get mad at you if you try to do that. If you want to be using a new line characters, you can do that actually, but you have to use a backtick. So let's type this in here. So I just had this on my clipboard so I could type it quickly for you guys. But we've got some tab characters, and I've read a line. I have some new lines, some tabs. Write some more stuff, new line, tabs, write some more stuff, a tab character, and a new line there at the end. Let's just print this out. We'll just let you see what it looks like. So as you're following through with this, definitely just play with it. You will learn best if you just experiment. See what changing certain things does. There goes auto import my fumped package. Again, if your editor does not do that, you're gonna have to just do that manually right here. The fumped, import fumped or input fmt. Let's run this. So you notice when I use those backticks, it looks pretty right here, right? It doesn't look so pretty right here. Didn't do what we expected. Right here, it added those tabs in, and it added a new line. But when we use these backticks, everything is literal. This is called a literal string. This is just a regular string. This is called a literal string. It will literally print out whatever you put in it. Even if you put in that special new line character, no matter how many backslashes you put in there, it will just print out whatever you have. So if you wanted this to print a little bit better, you would have had to put the you could put the space up there if you wanted. Of course, then you would have a new line at the beginning of your literal character or your literal string. So if we wanted it to print out with just new lines, and we wanted to be lazy and didn't want to actually put in there we go. It's a little bit better. But again, I gotta put a new line here at the end. So literal strings are very useful when you have a complex string and you really just want whatever you type in there to be in there. Run that again. There we go. Oh, I forgot to save it. No wonder I didn't put my new line. There we go. It's always useful to learn the clear command in the terminal. Just kind of clear up all the kludge. So there you have it. A string with a double quote. Again, not single quotes, double quotes. And you can use \t to \n. If you want a literal string, so you don't want any escaped characters, you can use a backtick. But you have to remember that when you use that backtick, it literally takes whatever is inside those backticks, even if it's at the beginning or the end, it will literally take whatever it is that you put in there. Here's a new line right there because there's a new line right there. So play around with it, see what you can do. Thank you guys so much for being here, and we'll see you again.